Guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to make Quaker Oat. If this is your first time coming here, you are highly welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I agree with you according to your time. So please don't leave without clicking on the subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you get notified each time I upload new videos on my channel. And to my returning subscribers, I love you all. I see you all. Thanks for always coming back to watch my videos. So without wasting much of your time, let's just dive right into today's video. So yeah, the ingredients I'll be using for my Quaker Oat. Here I have Quaker Oat, I have honey, I have sea salt, I have water, I have milk, sugar, and my spatula, okay? At this point you haven't subscribed, please tap on the subscribe button. It's absolutely free, okay? So let's just dive right into today's video. So this is the oat I'll be using. It's called the rolled oats and this costs 4,800 naira here in Nigeria. It's very good. The grains are big and this is what I'll just be using for the video. I like this oat a lot. Here is my honey I'll be using for my toppings. Honey lovers like me, I love my oats so sugary. And here's the salt I'll be using. This is sea salt and this is what I'll be using for my Quaker Oat as well, okay? And here is my milk. I love using evaporated milk to make my oats. I really do enjoy it that way, okay? So this is my sugar I'll be using as well. This is my spatula and this is my water. This is normal room temperature water. It's not hot, okay? That's just a normal room temperature water I'll be using as well. So without wasting much of your time, let's just start the oat preparation, okay? So here's my oat and I'll be adding it to my water. This water is not hot, it's just a normal room temperature water, just water from your tap. And I'll be adding my oats to this to form a paste. I didn't really have much oats remaining, so I just had to pour all, okay? Doesn't mean you use all the oats in your container. I just had a little left and I decided to make all of it. So let's just keep watching. So at this point, you just start mixing your oats and water together to form a paste. Make sure you mix very well. You can see I'm mixing very well so I don't get my oat lumpy, okay? So you have to mix it very well so it forms this smooth paste, okay? Can you see that it's already formed and very smooth? So the next step is to add your salt. So I'll be adding my sea salt, not much, just a little quantity. The reason is so the oat doesn't have to pain your tummy or give you a running stomach, okay? So I'll have to mix my salt into my Quaker and water. So at this point, guys, you just need to allow this paste to rest for some time, okay? You just allow this rest for say 2 minutes while you put your water on the fire, because you'll be needing your boiling water for this process as well. So I'll just quickly heat my water on the fire and then I add my paste into the boiling water. So guys, let's just continue watching. Please, if at this point you haven't subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button, okay? Here is my boiling water. It's already hot as you can see, and I'm pouring my paste into the boiling water. So at this point, guys, all you need to do is just to start stirring the oats in a circular motion, and you have to be very fast and ensure that you dissolve all the oats very well so it doesn't get lumpy on the fire, okay? So here I am stirring the oats very fast so it doesn't get lumpy. So at this point guys, my oat was becoming very thick and I don't like my oat very thick, so I decided to add a little quantity of water. So if your oat is getting very thick, all you need to do is just to add a little quantity of water and continue stirring, okay? As you can see guys, it's getting flexible and very easy to turn, and this is just how I like my Quaker oats. At this point guys, you have to stir very fast because the Quaker oat is getting thicker, as you can see, so you have to be very fast in stirring so it doesn't get too hard, okay? And if you feel it's too thick, all you need to do is just to add a little quantity of water, because I don't really like my oats very thick, but I think this consistency is very okay for me. So if you think this is too thick, you can add a little more water to yours. So guys, if you notice your oats has changed to a darker brown and is already getting very thick, just know your oat is ready. So at this point guys, our oat is ready. So I'll be dishing this into my soup bowl. Here is my evaporated milk I'll be adding to my oat. I really do like this milk, unlike the powdered milk, because that gives me a running stomach. So this is what I'll be using for today. I'll also be adding a little of my honey. Remember guys, I already added sugar to our oat while on the fire because I prefer putting my sugar then so it melts on its own, other than me coming to stir into the plate, okay? So this is our oat and is ready for consumption. So guys, at this point I was so hungry and I just had to end this video. If at this point you haven't subscribed, I really don't know what you're waiting for. Please support your girl by clicking on the subscribe button icon. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you get notified anytime I upload new videos here on my channel, okay? Because I'll be bringing you more amazing content, trust me on that. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave your comments below. I'll see you all in my next one.